Share with me a little bit about what is the vision of the practice?
We're building a scratch job. We're looking for calm, inviting, minimalist, no clutter. The auditories are going to feel like a showroom. We're going with high quality chairs, high quality cabinetry, lots of light coming through. Everything comes down to quality. So I want people to feel that when they walk into the clinic, and so that they can feel that right down to their tiniest filling. With regards to how the clinic will operate, efficiency. I just want to make my staff's life easy. I've worked at a lot of dental clinics. I see a lot of waste, but now this is mine. So I want to make sure that we do it right. You guys are the people that I trust for when it comes to organization. And so you're my go-to there.
Okay, awesome. I'd like to just jump right into this floor plan because there's one area that I want to address right off the bat, the sterilization and laboratory space. My concern with this is how choppy it kind of is, nothing really flows well. I'd like to see these two spaces swapped. If we can get the dirty side of central sterilization to start here and work its way down, and then have this entire run of clean storage, and then turn this into the laboratory space. Now, that will require us to move the mechanical room from one space to another, but I feel like in your lab space, it should be able to be accommodated in the back half of the lab. If you're looking for a high efficiency practice, the number of footsteps that it's going to take from here to here is going to not be as big of an issue as the choppiness of the storage in this space.
Would you need any more space in the new sterilization storage space, or is that sufficient for all of our materials for the dental clinic?
Absolutely. We kind of have to work the stuff we can't change the size of, which is the autoclave and that instrument washer, and then we would just work outward from there. This clean side, if we get that full 17 feet, and then I would take this door out too, and then I would put bulk storage in this spot.
I like it. I don't see why not. It would be nice to have a nice big lab. Having said that, we're trying to keep the hallway quiet. Here,
there's a lot of opportunity for volume to go out. Let's close this off here. That'll also give you another opportunity to have another touchdown station or computer station for your team members. If I may speak freely, Matt, I was a dental assistant for 18 years prior to coming over to Zirc. I'll be honest, sometimes you walk into central sterilization, you're like, this patient is driving me crazy. And you just want to have a safe space.
Yeah,
yes, exactly. Right.
Okay.
It's like the kitchen, at a restaurant. Nobody ever wants to see the dishes side of the restaurant, right? They want to see the hibachi grill. And that's kind of the same concept.
As you can see, I'm not going to fight you very much. So
okay, yeah, that's great. I love that. Awesome.
If you're saying that this is better and you do this every day, all day, let's do that.
Okay, perfect. All right, good. That makes my job easy.